Hi everyone, I'm Sam. Today we're going to be making the elephant toothpaste. Firstly, we need 200 ml of distilled water, 5 grams of potassium permanganate, and ml of dish salt, and 50 ml of hydrogen peroxide. We need the glass rod, a spatula, and some food coloring. Firstly, we need to pour 200 ml of distilled water into the potassium permanganate. And we'll be moving this aside for now. So we'll be pouring about 4 to 5 drops of the food coloring. And we're using red color for now. And 40 ml of dish soap. And 50 ml of hydrogen peroxide. Mabilis nito lang. It was okay.